Okay, for the tension ramps, we are basically going to take any movement that involves like a strength hold, and we're going to start by pushing at a 1 out of 10, then move up to a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, all the way up to 10 out of 10. Once you get to the 10, we're going to hold it for a second or two, and then we're going to ease it off incrementally as well. So we're going to go to 9 out of 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, so that you're totally relaxed. You can use this with pretty much any movement. So any movement that causes some kind of muscle ache. For the head, if turning the head is a problem, just use a hand to resist against, and then we're going to do the same thing, pressing in, amping up the tension and resistance, and then gently easing it off.